PSA is the leader in fire, security and intercom products. Since 1985, PSA has been an innovator in ensuring your most valuable assets are protected. Introducing the PSA Lifesaver Silhouette Flush Design Smoke Alarm, where safety meets design. The PSA Lifesaver Silhouette 5800ACF is a mains-powered photoelectric type smoke alarm with a 10-year non-replaceable lithium battery. The 10-year battery means you'll never ever have to change the battery for the life of the product. It's backed by a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, so you have the confidence of the PSA Lifesaver quality. This smoke alarm is designed to be flush-mounted and recessed into the ceiling, making it slimline and much smaller than standard smoke alarms. It's almost half the width and height of a standard smoke alarm, making it small and aesthetically pleasing in any home. The LIF5800ACF features a convenient large test hush button for easy operation, a green AC LED to indicate mains power, and a red LED to indicate the status of the alarm. Designed to minimize insect contamination causing nuisance alarms, the LIF5800ACF has two bug screens, an outer screen around the entry grille, and a smaller inner bug screen over the sensor chamber. The PSA Lifesaver 5800ACF can operate as a single unit or in an interconnected system of up to 24 other smoke alarms within the PSA range of smoke, heat or carbon monoxide alarms. This means added safety. When one unit activates, all other units in the same system will activate. Electricians will find installation is quick and easy. The LIF5800ACF is a single-piece design with spring toggle clips, identical to the common downlight fitting. Installation is easy. Simply drill a 90mm hole in the ceiling, the same size hole used for downlights. Connect the power, fold back the spring toggles and insert into the cavity. The springs release automatically, positioning the smoke alarm perfectly into position. The 5800ACF comes with a dust cap to protect the smoke alarm from dirt and dust during construction. Be sure to remove the dust cap when it is ready to use. A trim ring is also provided with the smoke alarm if necessary when replacing an old smoke alarm with the flush design Lifesaver Silhouette. The Lifesaver Silhouette 5800ACF complies with the latest Australian standard AS3786 and is active fire listed, with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty for confidence and reliability. For more information, visit the PSA Products website at psaproducts.com.au.